So here's some really cool solar LED lights. Now, not only do they have the solar panel up top, and you can see the brightness of them, which they are pretty good. I mean, you're not going to illuminate a whole house or anything, but for some basic uplighting and just lighting up different things here and there, they do provide a pretty good amount of light for things that are up close. And not only can you mount them somewhere if you want to with the pre-drilled screw holes, but you also can use them as a stake that are included with these, and it comes with a set of 6 of them. So you got that white light here, which is really cool, and you see that a lot of times with other LED solar lights, but here's the really cool thing. Go back here on the back of it, and there is a button, and check this out. We have a variety of different colors, so not only can you use this as normal white light during the year for just providing some uplight, but then what you can do is for the holidays, whether it's Halloween, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever it is, you can change the color of light and illuminate things just like that. Again, they are decently bright and the different colors are pretty cool. And this one here, you get that setting and it will cycle through those different colors. Best thing is you're not changing any batteries, charges during the day, and it is ready to go as soon as nightfall hits. You can see these LED lights are just providing a good amount of illumination. We got green on this side. If we come over this way here, you can see we're illuminating with a little bit of red. You'll kind of get an idea of like how bright the green is here. So if I go ahead and switch these, you'll see kind of what we're working with. That's kind of a cool color there. Got the red again, and then green. But overall, it's really nice because I'm not running extra wires for this, and you get all those different color options, no batteries that you need to worry about, and you set it up and it comes on right at night and you're good to go. So if you're looking for something like this to add a little light show to your home, then this may be something that you may want to check out as well.